Hello guys, behind us is our China factory located in Dongguan, Guangdong province, a production source factory specializing in electronic connectors and wire harness. Our factory has more than 40,000 square meters and more than 500 employees with 20 years of manufacturing experience. Follow me and show you around. Here is our injection workshop. This is our FANUC injection machine. And we have more than 80 sets of high precision and fully automatic machine like this. Here is our punching workshop. We have 20 sets fully automated punching machine. In this workshop, the metal is made into various parts through this kind of process. It's our wire harness workshop. And now we have the UL wire harness and the IPC 6Q0 certificates. All the operators are licensed and trained to ensure high quality products. It's our connector assembly workshop. This is our connector fully automatic assembly machine. And this is our automatic packing machine. Our connectors have got UL certified already. Here is our CCD inspection workshop. More than 100 fully intelligent visual inspection machines using cameras from Panasonic for clear and efficient inspection with no blind spots. Looking for a reliable manufacturer of connectors and wire harness? Welcome to visit Konnra.